Every manufacturer claims that their laundry equipment saves time and energy, but only Electrolux Professional can prove it. Today you will see exactly how it works. In our test lab, we have placed two 45-pound stack dryers side by side, a Wascomat TD45X45 and an Electrolux T4420S. We have also placed three washers in the test lab. A Wascomat 45-pound capacity washer, which extracts water at 100 G-force, an Electrolux 45-pound capacity washer, which extracts water at 200 G-force, and an Electrolux 45-pound capacity washer, which extracts water at 350 G-force. You will notice that the Wascomat washer that extracts at 100 Gs and the Electrolux washer that extracts at 200 Gs are securely bolted to steel bases, and then the bases are bolted to the concrete floor. We do this because the dynamic forces created when the washers are in extraction can cause the washers to move around unless they are securely bolted. This is standard for commercial washers. Yet you will notice that the Electrolux washer, which extracts at 350 Gs, is only sitting on a wood pallet. That's because it is a soft-mounted washer, which uses heavy-duty springs and shock absorbers to completely isolate the drum of the washer from the frame. This means the dynamic forces created by the ultra-high-speed extraction are absorbed by the springs and shock absorbers and are not transmitted to the frame or the floor. This innovative technology allows you to install the unit on wood floors, over basements, and even on upper floors. For this test, we will soak and extract 12 cotton towels in each washer. Each load will correspond to a different washer and will be washed and extracted for the same amount of time. The only difference between the loads is that the water in the blue towels are being extracted at 200 Gs. The water in the white towels are being extracted at 100 Gs, and the water in the brown towels are being extracted at 350 Gs. Naturally, the towels which are extracted at a higher G-force will have less water remaining after the extraction process, so they should dry quicker and save energy. Both dryers burn gas during the drying process, but only the Electrolux dryer includes EcoPower gas management software. This software uses information from sensors in the dryer to detect when the load is getting closer to dry and automatically reduces the amount of gas which is used to finish drying the clothes. Additionally, the Electrolux dryer has drum reversing technology, which turns the laundry back and forth in opposite direction to decrease tangling and speed drying. Now we'll unload each of the washers into the dryers. First, we'll put the white towels, which were extracted at 100 Gs, into the top dryer of the Wascomat 45X45. We'll put the brown towels, which were extracted at 350 Gs, into the top dryer of the Electrolux T4420S. Then we'll put the blue towels, which were extracted at 200 Gs, in the bottom dryer of the Electrolux T4420S. This is where it gets interesting. You will notice that there are 3 timers attached to each of the corresponding loads. These timers only count the minutes and seconds when the gas valve is open and gas is burning for each dryer. Now the dryers are all started and the timers are all running, which means that gas is burning. But as each load gets closer to dry, you will see the timers change. We can already see the results. When we compare the timer for the towels extracted at 350 G-force to the towels extracted at 200 G-force and to the load extracted at 100 G-force, we can see that the Electrolux washer with the highest G-force combined with the Electrolux dryer that has the EcoPower management software and reversing drum saves the most energy. The second best performance is washing in an Electrolux washer with 200 G-force extraction and drying in an Electrolux dryer with reversing and EcoPower. This combination performs better than any similar competing products. As we move ahead to the end of the cycle, we can see the final results. The load of the white towels extracted at 100 Gs in the Wascomat washer and dried without EcoPower or reversing requires 33 minutes and 59 seconds of gas burning. The load of blue towels extracted at 200 Gs and dried with the EcoPower and reversing required 28 minutes and 44 seconds of gas burning. And the load of brown towels extracted at 350 Gs in the soft mount Electrolux washer and dried with EcoPower and reversing only required 23 minutes and 49 seconds of gas burning. These savings add up day after day, year after year, for tremendous cumulative savings, and they greatly increase the resale value of your laundry service, which means real money in your pocket. And it's only available from Electrolux Laundry Systems.